one should respect the fact that revolution is mainly an attempt to change a social and political regime by force or by arms. And I don't subscribe to idealizing revolutions. We did this, but I think it's very important to know the severity and the seriousness of what that term means. And usually, even successful revolutions, I'm not against revolutions, I'm saying, first, you resort to a revolution when reform doesn't work. So you start with reform. You don't start with revolution. Second, you resort, revolutions usually end up in civil wars with, even if the revolution has succeeded, changes a lot the nature of the victors.